Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my cleaning channel. So today I'm going to share with you a super relaxing clean with me. Typically on my channel I try to motivate you guys, but not today. Today we are going to chill. I want you to go grab your coffee or grab you a snack. Don't work, don't get any cleaning done. Hopefully this video will just help you relax because we all know the next week ahead is going to be super crazy and busy and you deserve a little break. So take your little break, let's just hang out. I'm going to chat with you guys over the voiceover, play some soft music as well. So I hope you enjoy. Really fast, I did want to share this with you guys because this worked amazing. If you have a couch and you let your pets get on it or your couch is just smelling like a little stale, this worked really well. So I just took some baking soda, sprinkled like a hefty amount all over the couch, and then I took the Downy sprinkles, it's the ocean mist scent, and right over top of the baking soda I just sprinkled some of those on top and just let it sit for about an hour or so, and then came back in and vacuumed all of it up. Not only did it make my vacuum smell amazing, it also the scent kind of soaked into the couch as well, and my whole couch smells like Downy sprinkles.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on.
Alright y'all, so I got the couch clean. It feels really good to have this done because the couch cleaning to me is just not my favorite, but it's something that needs to be done on a regular basis here since my dogs do get on the couch. So, got that finished. I'm going to gather up this laundry really quick, but I was going to share with you guys, so last week I took a week off from my cleaning channel. I had a few appointments to go to and stuff for, just health things, but I went and got my eyes checked for the first time ever, and turns out I don't have great vision. So I have been seeing, and it's so crazy to me that I thought I could see good. I could see up close fine, but it's a distance that I can't see, and I can't tell you how long I've been struggling with reading street signs when I'm driving. I would, be with my husband, I'm like, what does that sign say? Because I couldn't read it. Or, the TV, if, any type of text came up on the TV, I'm like, I don't know what that's saying. Can you read it to me? And when I went and got my eyes checked, and I got my new glasses already, I can see so much stuff. It's like, I want to share it with everybody because if you have never went and got your eyes checked, you definitely should. It's good to go have them checked just to make sure that your eyes are healthy and stuff, but I am just blown away at how crisp and all the detail that I can see that I have never seen before. It almost makes me want to cry because it's like that mind-blowing to me that I've went this long looking through almost a haze. It's the craziest thing. So I'm super happy I went finally. And by the way, if you're wondering how much it costs, I don't have eye insurance, or eye insurance, oh my gosh, vision insurance. Is it vision insurance? Oh, whatever, y'all know what I'm saying. But I went to Walmart, the Walmart Vision Center, and they were, number one, inexpensive and amazing. I was so impressed with the eye doctor. He was so kind. We hit it off. We were like talking about our dogs and stuff. And I'm a dog person. So if anybody talks to me about their animals, I'm like, you are my people. And me and him just sat there in the office after my eye exam was done, and we shared pictures of each other's dogs. Like, we were just chatting it up. He was the nicest man. I was so, so impressed with, first off, his work and how quick he got my eyes checked. Then I got my glasses, and I got my glasses within 2 days, which I know that doesn't happen often. But because they already had the frames in stock, and my lenses, I guess, were just a quick, easy order. I guess my vision or whatever. I don't really know how it all works. But anyway, I got them in within like 2 days, and I could see. And I am so happy. I ended up going back though and getting the non-reflective kinds where you don't see your reflection in the glasses, because that was driving me nuts. Every time I film, I can see the glare and it is really throwing me off. Plus, I have an astigmatism in my left eye, so any type of light reflecting just irritates me and I get a bad headache. So I got that corrected because I didn't know that you could order those, because the eye exam doctor was separate from the vision eyeglass department at Walmart. But it was really cheap. It was $100 to get an eye exam, and then it cost me $130 to get my lenses and my frames. So it really wasn't bad at all. And this whole time I've been putting it off, thinking it was going to be like an outrageous amount. Now, obviously, that depends on what frames you pick out. The frames that I chose were really inexpensive. I want to say they were like $54 or something like that. I don't need anything fancy. I'm a pretty basic girl, so I just got regular, square, black, and brown frames. And I'm sitting here still talking about eyeglasses. You guys, sometimes I wish someone could tell me, like, okay, Carrie, get to the point.
That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
By the way, how are y'all holding up this past weekend with Thanksgiving being right around the corner? Like, I am so shocked that we are already here. Like, where did the year go? I just feel like every year is going by faster and faster. And maybe it's because, I don't know, the kids are getting bigger and they're in sports, and, there's so many things going on that the days fly by. By the time I pick up the kids from school, especially now with this time change. I don't like this time change, by the way. I do not like that it gets dark so early, because I don't have time to do anything with my kids. Like, by the time outside, by the time I pick them up, it's late, and then it's time for dinner, and then it's time to, get homework done. That takes a good hour out of your time when you have multiple children. And next thing you know, it's bedtime. And it's like, we have no time to go outside and play because it gets dark so quick. I just feel like, I don't know, this time change, along with all the holiday stuff coming up, time is just a flying. And it's just sad. It's so sad. We went and took our family photos this weekend. I think it was, what day did we go? Was it on Thursday? I think it was last week on Thursday. We went and got our family photos done. I took them with my mom. We just set up my tripod and stuff and took some family photos. And they turned out really, really pretty. But it's crazy. It's already been 2 years since I did that. And when you look at the before and after of the kids from 2 years ago to now, just how big they're getting, it's just so sad to me. I'm like such an emotional person, especially recently. Maybe it's like, I don't know, hormones / age, or maybe it's just that I'm noticing the little things more. I don't know. It makes me sad to think about, so I'm going to stop talking about it. Okay, so this morning my husband woke up early, like super early. He can't sleep in because he's so used to waking up. He just naturally wakes up at an early time. So he let me sleep in. I slept until about 8. And when I got up, I started making my coffee. The kids are all dressed and they're super cute. They're like in their best clothes. It was so adorable. And they were all going to the grocery store to get the stuff for Thanksgiving dinner. And thankfully, my husband is on top of his game. He doesn't want to procrastinate like I do. And he's going early to get everything so we're not like scrambling last minute, which is really nice and super helpful because I'm behind on work, and it was, just nice of him to take that load off of me of like the grocery shopping portion of everything. But speaking of work, y'all, I feel really bad about this, so I'm going to go ahead and mention it because I feel like if I just share with you guys like what happened, maybe it'll just like make me feel better. But I did a few sponsorships, and unfortunately they kind of all piled up at once together. I didn't intend for this to happen at all. Just some brands take a while to get back to you, and most of the time they don't. They take just a few days, but somehow all of them kind of approved the video for next week. So this coming up week, I have multiple sponsorships, and I feel super bad about it just because it's not something I typically do. I try really hard to separate sponsored content, so it's not like I'm a walking ad. I don't want to come off that way. But a lot of these videos were filmed a while ago, and they just all got approved at once. And now they all got to go live, and it's just, it's so stressful for me. But I apologize for that in advance. If you're like, oh my gosh, she's a walking ad, I feel you. That's how I felt. That's how I feel this week. So I get it. But thank you guys for supporting me with the sponsorships. I truly appreciate it. It helps my family a lot, saving extra money for us and stuff. So I will always appreciate you guys supporting me with the sponsored videos. After getting the floors vacuumed, I came in the bathroom to just do a quick tidy up in here, get all the dirty clothes off the floor from the showers and the toothbrushes and stuff put away. No deep cleaning, just, basically tidying up this evening. And then I'm going to go ahead and get a load of laundry folded and put away.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from that human touch, and now I want more. And now my memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black. Something about tonight, now it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other one, I don't care about what you done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. But it's gonna be you and me. From the look in your eyes, you need to get away. But I'll make you promise me that you'll come back someday. So let's make the most of it. I remember what you said. Up in the Ferris wheel, we're kissing in the shades. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other ones, I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me.
Alright, I'm going to get the lights turned off, and that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all!